For Alsco Uniforms Richmond, it's been about timing. We've been very fortunate that in 2012 we removed coal from the business and moved to biomass, which we're still on today. Our directors have shown a lot of faith in the top of the south with investment in this region. A brand new plant built here in 2020, and from there we've put in machinery to reduce our water usage. Solar was the next logical step for us.
So when we first got engaged by Alsco Uniforms, we were tasked with considering 3 sites, and the Richmond site really stood out. The area down here is one of the sunniest parts of the country, and the other factor is that they use their power during sunlight hours. It really makes sense to try and offset your energy using the power of the sun. The solar system we've installed here is a 152 kilowatt system utilising Tier 1 products, Trina panels and sun-grown inverters. We've got 244 625 watt Trina N-type panels on the roof, and we anticipate that to produce around 200,000 kilowatt hours per annum. And based on the historical load on site, that should equate to around 40% reduction.
Partner capability, inclusive of technical expertise, engineering expertise, and track record of delivery, was the most important thing to Alsco, and we needed someone that had experience in delivering this project while making it easier for us throughout the whole process. Lightforce Solar has supported Alsco Uniforms on this journey. In addition to just the install, what they've done is come in as a partner in this project and helped us prepare that business case so that we could put it up to our board and get approval. They provided all the data and provided all the knowledge, expertise and capability that we needed to get this across the line. So Alsco Uniforms Asia Pacific has been implementing a very strong sustainability action plan. This solar installation is just the next part of that journey, where we're now focusing on energy independence and emissions reductions through electrification and renewable energy. This is the first install of solar in New Zealand. Alsco Uniforms has implemented over 2.5 megawatts of solar installations across Australia and Asia Pacific.
Alsco Uniforms Richmond becomes the first plant in New Zealand for a large-scale solar project, and we're extremely proud of that, and we're looking forward to our next large-scale project.